Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 6 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And as you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay. From here you can add payment method or different types of cards. Also, we can manage all of our payment methods, check full list of participating banks, and our full activity. Next, we can go to settings, where we can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and we can edit account info. Then we've got contactless setup, where we can set payment method, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as our default, if our screen lock is set, and if our phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.